Yep. You got the tools?
Yeah. I don't know. It's still only that many frames.
They turn it upside down.
Oh, they are building a little bit there.
Mm-hmm. They're still just in the center.
I think we'd have more bees by now. I don't know. I don't know what this is.
And she said do the...
It's like this one here.
Yep.
Might be able to just hook it with this.
They're stuck together.
Okay. Yeah. There you go. Now hook it with, you can
with the...
use this and you can hook it. There's nothing on that one.
Nothing on this side at all.
No. Okay.
Oh, did we bring the...
The
hangy
metal thing? No.
Okay. Use the tool,
I
stick
can
it
break
in.
that one apart too.
You got it.
Oh, okay. Okay. We'll put that one back once we look at it. Yeah.
This side's got 3 bees on it.
This has
Maybe
just a couple
4.
walking around. Nothing.
Nothing on that one.
Yeah. I think we need to push these together next time as best as we can. This is where we need to start looking.
There's really nothing on this side other than
There's a lot of cone.
bees walking around.
Yeah. There's a lot of pollen. I guess that would be pollen.
It's like pollen, yeah. See it
I
dark.
see larvae.
Yeah?
Yeah. I got larvae on this
Okay,
side.
I'm gonna let go and I'm gonna come around and look at it.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, we got some good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So where do you see
I
the
counted
larvae?
10 right in the center.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, you're right.
So that means there's a queen.
That means there's a queen somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good news.
Yeah. I'm just looking real quick at this. Anything on your side?
Just bees.
Okay.
No,
And it's
no.
capped on this side where the nectar is. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. I'm just looking for a bigger bee. Okay.
You know what I thought of?
What?
Why don't they mark them in fluorescent colors? Where you
Yeah,
can just put a
like a
black,
black light.
on it, you know, in the evening.
Yeah.
Then they would just show right up. Even if you couldn't see it, they would just jump out at you.
There's that many on that one. I mean,
Okay, let me see.
this one's gonna be stuck. Maybe. Just because of it. Looks like it's all attached.
Oh, there we go. I broke it loose. Okay. Oh, it's heavy too.
Okay, there's a lot of drones on this one.
I got a lot of capped stuff on
Yeah.
this side.
This one's capped too. I don't think they're drones, they're just capped like they're. I see some larvae in this one too. I got a hold of it.
I got larvae on this side. Lots of larvae.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's some good larvae. Yeah, I don't know if it's just a slow. I don't know. I thought it'd be faster for them to build. Just looking for a big back end on the.
I know. You would think she would just jump out at you.
That pic. Did you go through that slideshow? I couldn't find her. I mean, the picture was really grainy.
Yeah.
And it's like, find the queen.
She had a red dot on her back.
Yeah.
The one in the picture.
Yeah. And these are all female, so that's. I see a drone. Have you seen the drones yet?
Not today.
I got a hold of if you want to see it.
I'm gonna let go.
Yeah. Bottom left corner, kind of bottom left corner. The big old eyes. He's walking towards the center. He's walking on the wood, the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah. See him walking out. He's walking towards Laura. He's on the wood. That's the drone. The big old eyes.
Got a lot of honey or whatever up on the top.
Yeah. We'll probably can clean. No. They said to usually clean it while you can. You can see the larvae there too. That's inside.
Yeah. So do they typically cap the larvae, or the larvae just
I think in a little bit they do.
right before they come out, maybe?
There's a lot of pollen on that bee. Not queen yet. I might have to double check. There's a big drone. There.
Because the drones have the biggest eyes.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Scoot that one over. Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
This one's even heavier.
Okay, I got it. A lot of capped larvae. I'm trying to see if I see any eggs. Yeah,
Yeah, a
there's
lot of larvae on this one.
I got some larvae on this side too. That must be a big, that's a big drone. Maybe.
You want to roll it over so you can see the top?
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
Turn the one on, okay.
I can hold on to it now.
There you got it?
Yeah, I got it. It's so weird because when we saw the queen in the little compartment, you know, that white light, the white dot was so bright.
I thought it was a cool idea how they said to sugar them. To powder sugar them.
I saw that. I didn't understand that. What was that for? Is that for the mites?
It takes, you put it on them so they clean themselves and they clean the mites off themselves.
Okay.
Because they're trying to eat the sugar.
Yeah. There's a drone there. Yeah, I still don't see anything on this. Nothing that stands out, at least. I'm gonna flip it. I don't know if we should clean off that excess cone up top. I mean, what I've read, that's what you should do. But
And why do you do that so they don't stick together?
so it doesn't stick, so you can close it up.
I'm sort of on the mindset not to piss them off.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is we're not, since we didn't smoke them, it's not going to disrupt all their stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put this one back, I guess. You got it?
I got it.
That one's stuck.
Yeah. I think she's got a little condo somewhere. She just
Yeah.
a little secret condo. This one's not as heavy.
Okay. Yeah, a lot of larvae in this one. Not a lot, but,
Yeah, I got one.
but it's getting there. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good amount of larvae on this side. I wonder if she's on...
I mean, that seems pretty quick, because, last time we looked, we didn't see anything.
Yeah. Let's see, I got a lot of larvae on this. But... And it's not capped yet, so I don't know... There's a lot in that top left corner on my side, and the corners over here. But I don't know, that's just... Yeah. Anything on your side?
Not queen wise. There's a lot of stuff over here.
Okay. Yeah, I got some larvae. It's a good amount of it. I don't see any egg. I want to see what the eggs look like. It says just like a grain of rice.
Mm-hmm. You want to flip this?
Yeah.
You got it? I'm going to let go.
Yeah, I got it.
You almost smell the sweetness of it.
Yeah, I don't see anything, but we got good larvae though. So.
Got it.
Okay. Stuck. There's really nothing on that, on this other side here.
They really like the middle, huh?
Mm-hmm. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
A lot of guys running around on that bottom corner.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we should check the bottoms too, just for the heck of it.
I'm making comb.
That's good. Yeah, I don't see any larvae on this one, so she hasn't made it to this yet. Yeah. Not even gonna bother with those.
Go back.
Yeah, 'cause I don't even think they're wax. They're on there. There we go. Okay.
Nobody at the bottom.
Hmm?
I'll just look at the bottom and see if she's walking around. Don't get mad. It's okay.
Look, I want to check these few rows again. Yeah, that's good on that one.
You want to pull this one?
Yeah. Oh, I got it. And there's a lot of capped over here, so.
Big old drone. I wonder what their dogs.
I think this is a magnolia tree.
I wonder what their dogs are getting into.
Yeah, I know.
Chasing.
Chasing a car, maybe.
That's what it sounds like.
Left.
That's out in the country, that's how we do. I don't see anything on this side standing out anymore.
You see lots of bees.
I don't see any. I see some larvae. I just want to see eggs. That's what I really want to see. Maybe that's what we see if we look hard enough and we start seeing eggs. Maybe we'll notice that's where the queen's at. Because it takes a little bit for the, you know, the larvae to, or the egg.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Flip it up and look where you see the larvae and look for an empty one next to it and see if you think that there'd be if there's a larvae there, there'd be an egg next to it.
I don't see anything on this. Just a lot of, I mean, I see all the larvae. But the queen's not standing out. Do you want to clean that cap off right there? That top?
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You're talking about just this right here?
Yeah, just kind of push down.
There's our sugar water.
Yep. Probably just dump it in the bottom of just dump it in the bottom of that. There you go.
What was it?
This is sugar water.
Sugar water. I'm going to take all the way across.